Welcome to Earning an Income. So firstly, we're going to look at the different ways you can earn an income. So there's a wage, which is a fixed rate per hour. So that's like a casual person. A salary, which is a fixed amount per year, but often paid fortnightly or monthly. So that's a full-time person. There's overtime, which is extra hours. So there's things like time and a half, which is 1.5 times your hourly rate, or double time. So that's 2 times your hourly rate. And you get these if you work longer than your normal prescribed hours, or if you work on a public holiday. There's commission, which is a percentage of your overtime sales and sometimes includes a retainer, which is a base salary, and then you get commission or percentage on top of that. And then finally, there's piecework. That's a percentage of the items that you sell. So this could be if you're at the markets, you'd get all of it because it's your what you're making, or it could be that you're actually making for somebody else to sell for you. So here's an example. George works at Walmart and he earns $18 an hour. So how much is he going to earn in a week where he works 30 hours? And then we've got 30 hours at normal rate plus 8 hours at time and a half. So the first one. So for 30 hours of work, if George earns $18 an hour, then 30 hours is 18 lots of 30, which is $540. For the second one, so he's got that 30 hours at normal that we've already worked out, and then 8 hours at time and a half. So let's have a look at the time and a half pay. So he gets, for time and a half, that's 1.5 times what his normal rate is of $18. So for all those, he gets $27 every hour that he works. So his pay is going to be $18 lots of the 30 normal hours, plus $27 times 8 of those time and a half hours, giving him $756. Second example. Veronica's paid a retainer of $1,200 per month, and she also is going to get a commission of 1.2% on any sales that she makes. So we want to work out what she earns in a month where she sells $6,200 worth of sales. So let's firstly just have a look at that commission part. So she gets 1.2% of any sales that she makes, and her sales are $6,200. So out of that, she earns $74.40. That's her sales part, or her commission. So her total pay for the month is the retainer, which is a base salary, plus the commission. So that's $1,274.40. Final thing is looking at leave loading. So this is when people are on holidays, they earn their normal pay plus a bonus called leave loading. And this is usually 17.5% of your normal pay. So we're going to have a look at Jimmy, who's on a salary of $42,640 a year. He decides to take his 4 weeks annual leave just before Christmas. What will be his pay for those 4 weeks if it also includes 17.5% leave loading? So firstly, we've got to work out, take that yearly wage or yearly salary and work out what it is for a week. So we divide that by 52, so he gets $822 a week. So 4 weeks is 4 lots of that, which is $3,280. And his loading is 17.5% of those 4 weeks. So that's $570. So that means his total pay for those 4 weeks is the 4 week salary of $3,280 plus the $574 in the leave loading. That gives a total of $3,854. Thank you, and this is a shout out to Ella.